In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Sephora. By the end, you'll confidently place any item into your shopping bag so it's ready for checkout when you're done browsing. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Sephora Philippines website. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the familiar black and white branding and the location set to the Philippines. If a cookie notice or a promotional banner appears, simply close or accept it so it doesn't block any buttons you'll need. From here, you can browse by category, explore featured collections on the homepage, or use the search bar at the top if you already have a specific product in mind. Once you find a product you want, you can often add it directly from the product grid or click into the product page for more details. The product page is helpful because it shows full descriptions, ingredients, reviews, and most importantly, any options you need to choose before adding to your bag. If the item comes in different shades, sizes, or sets, make your selection first. Many products won't let you add to bag until you pick a shade or size that's in stock. You can also adjust the quantity if you plan to buy more than one. Now click the Add to Bag button. On desktop, this button is usually prominent and sits near the price. On mobile, it may be anchored near the bottom of the screen so it's easy to reach with your thumb. After you click, look for a quick confirmation. You might see a mini cart slide in from the side, a pop-up message, or an update to the bag icon at the top of the page showing your new item count. If the button is grayed out or you see an out-of-stock notice, try selecting a different shade or size, or check whether the item is temporarily unavailable. If your internet connection is slow and nothing seems to happen, give it a second or refresh the page and try again. You can also ensure you're still on the Philippines site, as availability can vary by region. That's it. Visiting the Sephora Philippines website and clicking Add to Bag is all you need to place an item in your cart. From there, you can continue shopping, compare products, or review your bag whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!